Hello and welcome back to Actually You Life. In today's class, we're gonna do some makeup life hacks, mostly using a spoon. So, how's quarantine going? Good, I hope. If you watched my last class, I gave you a few ideas that I'm going to be doing during this self-quarantine time, this time that we're taking this conscious step back from our friends and family to make sure everybody stays safe and we can get through this quickly, because the faster we do this, the faster we're back to our normal lives. So, watch that video if you haven't watched it yet. But today, we're going to play with a little Facebook video life hack thing that I saw like a month back. I already did the life hack on it for the winged eyeliner, which, oh my gosh, I loved so much. So if you haven't seen that, you can go check that out. But on that same video, they had two other things that I was interested in. One was doing your eyeshadow with a spoon, and the other one was adding glitter to your lipstick, which of course I've done before, so I don't necessarily need to do that, but I thought it might be fun just put glitter on my lips anyways because I love it. It does work. However, I don't think it's the most comfortable way to go out for an evening because you can definitely feel it still on your lips. So if you're taking pictures or doing something like that and it's just for like the gram, go ahead and do it. But if you're actually like going out, I find that having glitter on my lips is kind of annoying. So on this little life hack, they just take a spoon and you're kind of supposed to just be able to put it on your eye and do your eyeshadow, kind of like the crease. And then you're supposed to be able to do your lips, like line your lips. So then I thought, let's take this a step further and maybe it'll help with, getting those real fierce lines while you contour. We're gonna do it all. So all I have done right now is a light foundation. I just have on the Maybelline BB cream that I'm kind of obsessed with at the moment just because it's so easy. And then just a little e.l.f. foundation in a lighter color, just like under my eyes and on my brow bone. And that's kind of what I use as my primer for my eyeshadow. And then of course I did my eyebrows and that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna be using my staple like go-to makeup today just so that I can really play with the technique of the spoon so that I see if it turns out anywhere near what I normally do on my own. So we're going to use the Naked Heat palette because I love it, and you will see that I do love it. So we're just going to use this sauced color, and we're going to go with the spoon and we're going to work on my brow bone, the lighter color on the top, and we're going to see if this works. Okay, well, that's pretty interesting. I'm not really sure what to do with that. Normally I would go in with my darker crease color to be right here, but there's quite a gap right there. So I think that I might be able to bring another color up in there. Let's see. I have this Makeup Revolution palette that has a bunch of fun colors. So let's just pick one of those. Let's do this green color right here. So I kind of kept the spoon forward towards my eye, and as I'm moving back, I'm kind of tilting the spoon back too. Look at that! I mean, it's kind of like making a rainbow. That's kind of fun. Interesting. Okay, so now I think I'm going to go in with my normal color that I do right here in the corner. And the dark color that I've been using has been this In Fuego color. In Fuego. I love it. So I think that I want to use the spoon kind of like right here to see what I can get going on here. Okay. Making this almost like an eyeliner. I mean, that is kind of fun, right? Something different. And now I'm going to take that In Fuego color again and just go under the eye. Ooh. Ooh, that is actually really fun. I'm really enjoying that. And now I'm just going to do the same thing to the other eye, so I'll be right back. Okay, eyes are done. Let's see about my contouring idea that I had. I'm just using the Hoola by Benefit, and I'm using my own brush. It has a little brush, but I just kind of tuck it up to the top and hold it there in case I do travel with it. Maybe I want the brush. This is the brush I always use for contouring. It has a little bit of an angle, and I just kind of pinch it so it gets thinner. And then I think I'm just gonna hold this. Oh, snatch. Look at that. We're definitely going to tone that down, don't worry, but I'm kind of enjoying that, not going to lie. Hey! Okay, so the other places I like to contour are along the neckline, a little behind the ear, especially if you're planning to put your hair up. That might be too snatch right there. Maybe too snatch, but we're just testing things. And then the other place I like to go is down my neck. And then another place I go, which I don't think this is necessary, but I do like to go on the forehead. And especially if you do tend to have a bigger forehead, this will help minimize it just a little bit. And I just like to do it just to like tie together the whole face. This is not needed for the top of the head, but it was fun to try. Now the other place I do it is like right here. Just a little bit below the chin. And then I normally like to do my nose too. So I usually still use this brush. I pinch it and I just squeeze. I'm going to wipe down this little bit in case there's excess and then see if I can use this as like a guide. Huh? I'm still squeezing it so it's thin. That worked. Then just blend it down. Actually, that worked really well. And what's crazy is because look at the spoon. The spoon slightly curves this way, which is where I want it to curve. So I curved this one this way, and then I flipped the spoon, and I'm curving this one this way. And if you kind of just line it up, the bottom of your brow, like the edge of it right there. It's a lot of dark right now. We're gonna tone it down, don't you worry. But wow, I do like what it did to the nose right there. I'm not gonna lie. Like, it did do what it's supposed to do. Let's do what I always do to blend everything together, translucent powder. So this is my favorite, Physicians Formula in translucent. It just works the best for setting your makeup, and I love it. See how the nose gets totally toned down? I even do the neck. All toned down, not too crazy. Then we're gonna add some blush. I'm just using this e.l.f. palette right now. Mine's broken, so I have to be very careful. And now I don't think this top part is blended how I kind of want it. Like, I feel like this needs to go a little bit higher over here. So I'm just gonna go in with a little more shadow. I also feel like that blue, since I used the translucent powder, could brighten up just a little bit. I don't want to lose those defined lines I made, so I'm just gonna lightly go in. And now same thing for under the eye. Okay, now let's add some glitter. What do you say? To this little pocket the spoon left, I think that would be so fun. I'm just gonna use my NYX glitter primer and put it on with a little brush. I have this color called Galaxy by Glitter Creations that I'm gonna use. Ooh, it's so fun. So pretty. Well, I am really liking how this is turning out. It's so fun. Yay, spoon. Anyone watch The Tick? Anybody? Spoon. Wait, spoon. If you've never watched The Tick, ignore that. You'll never get it. So we're also supposed to be able to line our lips with the spoon, which I don't know about that, but I'm gonna use this kind of liner lipstick that I have that I've been using a lot lately, and I'm kind of obsessed with it actually. It's called Bite Beauty. Have you ever heard of it? This was a random purchase. Honestly, I feel like it was just on Amazon and I just threw it in my cart and was like, okay, I'll try it, and I'm like obsessed with it. The color is just so pretty and it's smooth, and I just love that it's a twist up. I just love everything about this, so let's try. It's a very like, hello lip. It's a little much. Me no likey. And in the little tutorial they showed, it was a little bit like exaggerated for sure, but this is like, I'm pretending to have plumper lips than I do. I just don't like it all. So I'm gonna fix it. Hold on. While I fix my lips, I decided to throw on my lashes to complete the look. I think it's super fun. And here's the thing, do you need the spoon? I don't think you need the spoon. Could I have done this without the spoon? Yes. But if you're not really good at a cut crease, and if you're not really just good at eyeshadow in general, it might be a fun little way to start trying it. I do feel like it was fun because you had like a guide and you could push against something. You know, it was just, it was fun. I'm gonna say it was fun. I don't know that I'm gonna use a spoon every day. In fact, I know I won't. But, you know, on every special occasion, I thought it was kind of cool. And I liked it. So, hey, if you're bored and you have nothing to do, which I know you don't, do your eyeshadow with a spoon. Why not? I don't recommend the lips. That's just me though. So now let's talk about the glitter on the lips. I talked about that earlier. Fun for pictures, looks really cool, but not like very realistic for actually going out. It's semi-uncomfortable. I know because I've done it. I think I've done it a couple times. One time for sure was on the 4th of July. Looked really cool, but it was just very uncomfortable. You could like feel it, you know, and your lips just felt super dry. But I do have this new LA Girl glitter that I reviewed a couple classes back, and it's semi-different than the other glitters. It just feels softer. It's more iridescent. It's not like harsh glitter. So I thought I would give this a try. So we're just gonna throw this on. Ooh, I already like it. That's pretty. That's super fun. This color is the Hollow Glam. It's just a fun way to add glitter when I don't want to take the time to put the glitter glue on. This really just goes a lot faster because it doesn't require it. You just throw it on and you're good to go. So yay, that was fun. If you have any fun, weird life hacks you'd like me to try, please let me know in the comments below. I'd love to try them. Yeah, so before you go and do your makeup with a spoon. Make sure to like and share so other people can like and share. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next class. And hey, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And if you did enjoy, please do make sure to subscribe and hit that little bell, because that lets you know when I upload a new class and you don't miss out on any of the fun, the spoon fun, the glitter fun, any of it. You won't miss a thing because you will be notified. I'll see you soon.